In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create labor reports in QuickBooks Time on a desktop or laptop. If you manage a team or run payroll, a labor report gives you a clear snapshot of who worked, when they worked, and how many hours to pay. We'll walk through generating the hour summary by team member report inside QuickBooks Time on a desktop or laptop, and I'll share helpful contexts along the way so you know exactly what you're looking at. First, sign into your QuickBooks Time account on your computer. Make sure you're using a web browser on a desktop or laptop so the layout matches what you see here. If you don't have access to reports, you may need permission from an account administrator. Once you are in, look to the left navigation menu and select Reports. This is your hub for timesheets and payroll insights. You'll see different categories, and the one we want today is under Payroll. Within that section, click Hour Summary by Team Member. This report organizes hours by person, which is perfect for quickly checking totals for a pay period or any other date range you choose. Depending on your account settings, it can include regular, overtime, and other hour types, giving you a better picture of labor distribution. At the top of the report page, set your date range. You can pick common timeframes or select custom start and end dates. To keep payroll accurate, match this range to your company's pay cycle, and be mindful of your time zone if your team works across regions. If you're auditing a specific week or month, choose those exact dates so the totals align with your records. When your date range looks right, click Run Report. QuickBooks Time will generate the labor report based on your selection. You'll see a neatly organized table showing each team member and their total hours for that period. Take a moment to scan the results and confirm that the totals and people listed match your expectations. If anything seems off, it usually means the date range needs adjusting or a timesheet entry needs review. If you need to share the results or keep a copy, use Export to download the report. Choose the file format that works best for your workflow, then save it to your computer. This makes it easy to send to payroll, attach to an email, or archive for your records. And that's it. You've created a labor report in QuickBooks Time on your desktop or laptop. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.